Stop eating frozen microwave dinners unless you want to stay skinny fat. I get it, after a long days of work, you want to come home and get a quick dinner in. But these microwave dinners are not going to help improve the way you look, meaning you're still going to struggle with confidence. Toss these out and start focusing on dinners that are actually high protein. I'm talking 40 to 50 grams of protein per meal. Here I've got some ground turkey I already prepared, and I can add this to any potatoes or rice to make sure that I'm hitting my protein goals, building muscle, and staying full to reduce cravings, which is gonna improve the way I look, making me confident. And your dinners should look like this if you want to be confident wearing fitted shirts and actually like the way that you look. And if you want a list of my 5 favorite high protein dinners that you can cook in under 10 minutes, comment the word burger down below and I'll send it over to you for free, of course.